Not only for this practice test, but for the other test also. Because a poem is not complete till you actually learn it. Okay. So I hope you have learned. I told you long back to learn. So I hope you learned it. I did ask you to learn it. I remember asking you to learn it. Okay. So I hope you did. You can if you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't have the reader.
Don't have the reader. Who is this? Enoch. Who just asked me that? I'm sorry. Who asked me that question? As to don't have the reader. Please repeat. I need to know. If you can tell me, then it will be easy for me. See, you can't be doing a test without your reader, right? How will you do it without the reader?
லெசனே எடுக்கல.
I don't know what's happening. If you have a doubt, you can ask me at the end of class. I haven't taken a lesson quickly because I'm trying to explain this to you. Yes.
So, on the social science, we didn't write the question answers, ma'am.
There are question answers. There are question answers. Okay.
Right, ma'am.
You will have to write. I can ask you anything from anywhere in this poem, basically. That's what I want you to understand. So I can ask you meanings, or I can ask you write a make sentence. I can ask you write the gender word for. Okay. I can ask you the question answer. Anything I can ask you. Whatever has been given to you, I can ask you anything. Is that clear for English? You have any doubts when it comes to English? Because today's class, I'm only going to be explaining like this a little bit so that you have no doubts when it comes to doing. And this is the same for all the tests. This is the same for all the tests. Okay? I mean, the process is the same. Not the portion. Portion your teacher will give. I don't know what portion is there for maths and science and all that. Portions your teacher will give. The process is the same. Okay, that process I will discuss only in the last 10 minutes. Is that clear, children? Is there anything that you want to ask me? Because this is the time where you can ask me a question.
Social science, ma'am.
Sorry?
Social science also, ma'am.
Yes, social science I will explain. Give me a few minutes. Do you have any doubts regarding English?
Ma'am, when is the English test, ma'am?
Sorry? English test?
the
When is the English test? Good question. Did you get the timetable, children? Did you get the timetable?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it's on Thursday. According to the timetable. Did you see your timetable? It has been sent to your parents. You can ask them to show it to you, the timetable. Okay, I hope. Yes, children.
And which group, ma'am?
It's not on a group, it's on the school message. It will be in the parents' app. The message will be on the parents' app. Or the SMS. I don't know how it was sent to you. Definitely like an SMS or the parents' app. You can go and check the timetable as well as the, like everything details were sent on the app and the SMS. Please check it out. Okay. So English is, I think, on Thursday. My test will be on Thursday and social is the last test, which is Tuesday. Next Tuesday. Not tomorrow. Okay, children. When is your test starting? Wednesday. It's starting. This whole tests are starting on Wednesday. Is that clear?
It's Wednesday, ma'am.
Sorry?
Wednesday, ma'am.
This Wednesday. That's right. It's starting on Wednesday and ending next Tuesday. Okay. All right. So what shall we do? Can you all stand for a minute? I think it's a little boring listening to instructions. Just stand for a minute. All right. Stretch. All of you can stretch for a minute. Can you all stand and stretch? Okay. Jump one time and sit down. I don't see everyone following that. All right. Okay, if you can, that is if you can. If you're not connected to your headphones, then you're able to do it. Okay, if you're able to do it, do it. All right. Okay, good. So you can sit down now. All right, let's go on to the next part, social studies. So social studies, you'll have to look up your workbook. You will have to look up the question answers that I gave you as notes.
Then gave the question answers and the first lesson, ma'am.
Question answers first lesson. Workbook and notebook work.
Didn't give it, ma'am.
Workbook and notebook work. Are you listening? Chapter 1, workbook and notebook work. Both
Ma'am?
I can ask from anywhere. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you did not give exercises in the classwork, ma'am. The new classwork.
Which exercises, da?
You gave only the question answers, ma'am.
That's correct. I told you to do the exercises in the textbook. Did you do it in the textbook or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, good. So if you have done it in the textbook, that's good. I can ask you from there. Did you understand? I can ask you from anywhere in the chapter. Anywhere in the chapter, I can ask you. So your duty is to do what? Read the chapter. For me, what is most important is please read the chapter properly. If you read the chapter properly, you can answer. Is that understood? So the book exercises, I hope you did it in the book itself. I didn't tell you to copy that. Correct? I asked you to do the concept map. I asked you to do like the meanings, even for social. So even the meanings are important in social. There are only 3 meanings, I think, in chapter 1. All right. Enoch, your video is upside down. Yeah, thanks. So let's go on.
Ma'am,
Yes.
he didn't write the question answers, ma'am.
You did not write the question answers. Why?
Ma'am, he didn't give, ma'am.
Sorry?
He didn't give it, ma'am.
Ma'am,
I
give 4 question answers, ma'am.
Correct. I gave 4 question answers for social. I told you to do the concept map after that. Did you do that? I told you to do it.
Ma'am, I have the
I also finished in class and
I don't have the answer for the question answers, ma'am.
You have to, I told you for social to do the question answers followed by the new words and the concept map in the notebook. And then I told you do worksheet 1 in the workbook. I hope you did that. Because if you did that, you should be able to answer. If you read the chapter, you should be able to answer the questions. I told you it's going to be simple if you learn. If you don't learn, then it's not going to be easy. Harry, you'll have to sit up. Harry Bright. Harry Bright, I don't know if you can hear me. Please sit up straight. Okay. Yes, thank you. All right. Is there any doubts? You can text me separately about it, or you can ask me at the end of the class. Is that clear, children? All right. So what is coming for social is simple. You just have to do the book exercises in the book itself if you have not done it. You have to do the question answers that I gave you in the notebook, the concept map in the notebook, the new words in the notebook. Did you do that much? If you have done that, then you should have done worksheet 1 in the workbook. for both social as well as English. Worksheet 1 should have got completed. So I can ask you from the workbook also. Or I can ask you straight from the textbook. So read the chapter. It's going to be simple if you read it. If you don't read it, it's not going to be very simple. Okay, I want you to... Chapter 1. Only chapter 1. Only chapter 1. Go read up chapter 1, learn chapter 1. If you have any doubts, come back to me. Okay, that's it for now. I'll give you a sample of what I will be asking. For example, I can ask you, this is how I might ask you for English. I can ask you, okay, give me a synonym. You know what synonym means? What's synonym? What is synonym?
Meanings, ma'am.
Meanings, ma'am.
Correct. So if I've given the word synonym, don't get like scared when you read that word in your question paper. Synonyms just means meaning, that's all. So if you learn the meaning for your poem, you can write the synonym. So if I tell you what is a synonym for the word daft, what is the synonym for the word? Yes, mad. Mad is the answer. Mad is the answer. All right, class. I hope you understood what I'm saying. I can ask you. We have to write the new words. What new words? The meanings. Yes, in the English notebook, I gave you the instructions on the group. Didn't you follow the instructions on the group? Please go back and look at the group messages that I've sent for English and social. Of course, you have to write the new words in your notebook. You have to write all that in your notebook. I hope you did that. Okay. Let me also talk about, so the next thing that I could ask you is, I can ask you, like, write a make sentence of your own. You can follow what I gave because that sentence is correct. Or if I corrected your sentences, you can write that sentence also. If you had sent me your homework and I corrected your sentence, you can write that sentence also. Is that clear? You can write the sentence I gave or a sentence of your own if it is correct. If I ask for a make sentence. If, for example, I ask for writing 2 lines out of this poem, any 2 lines, I will ask you. Okay? You have to write it using the correct punctuation. Did you understand what is punctuation? That is the comma, the full stop. And when you write the line, you have to be careful how to write the line in the correct way. You can't write 2 lines just so that you can fit all the words. Don't write it like that. Write it the way it's given in your book. Is that understood? So you'll have to practice this. This is poems are something, any poem that comes in your book is something that you have to memorize. Okay, from now onwards, that's the way it is. You will have to start learning up your poems. Okay, and the name of the poet. It's important to learn. Please learn. Because I told you not now. This I told you long back. Okay, when we were doing the poem, I told you. So you can't come back and tell me, ma'am, only 2 days we didn't learn. I'm not going to ask you all the marks, 15 marks for the practice test. I won't ask you the full thing. It's not going to be poem. Write out the poem. That is not going to happen. Okay, but I might ask you one question about it. Is that understood? Write 1 or 2 lines from the poem, I might ask you. So if you can learn it, that would help you for your test. You'll have to start learning up a bit. Is that clear, class 4? Is there any doubts regarding the portions or the pattern? I can ask you anything from this. As far as social is concerned, look at the workbook, look at the textbook, and look at the notebook. In the notebook, I did not give you much because I asked you to do the book exercises in the book itself. Did you understand that, class? All right. So let's go on to Mary Com. Few minutes I will discuss before the 10-minute thing comes. Have all of you finished your classwork and workbook? Give me a thumbs up.
Only classwork, ma'am.
Only classwork. Okay, you should finish. Sit down and finish workbook also. Okay, those of you who did not finish, I want all of you to finish classwork as well as workbook. I gave you a lot of time to finish both. Lot of time. That's more than enough time to finish both. I don't see what is the problem. Anyway, you have the answers in the back for your workbook. Try to write without looking at the answers in the back. Did you understand that? Try to write without looking at the answers in the back. However, if you can't understand, then look at the answer in the back and write. For the workbook. This is for the workbook. Did you understand that, children? So that is the way to do the workbook. Okay, now this has come to the last 10 minutes of this class. I'm going to explain the process. If you have your parent close by, you can just ask them to come for a minute. If it is possible for them to come for 1 minute or 5 minutes or something, you can just ask them to come sit with you for 5 minutes. Children, did you understand what I said? Because I'm going to explain the process as to how to do this. Your parents will have to help you because it has to be uploaded on a device and done that way. So that is why I'm asking if your parent can come for 5 minutes. If it's possible for them to come, ask them to come. Otherwise, I will just talk about this and close it. Any case, we are all available. You can ask any subject teacher what to do. Okay? So let me explain the process itself since we have only 8 minutes left. Okay. So this is what, there will be two ways of doing this test. Okay. I put this on our group today morning also. This is for the children who did not see the SMS or did not see how the pattern of this test is going to be. One, the test is in 2 parts and you will have to go not through the parent app, but through the portal, the parent portal. That is, you have to go to the www.parent.neverskip.com. That is where you will be doing this test. You will not be doing this test on the parent app. Please remember, don't try and open the parent app. It will not work. You will have to go to this portal and then open the test. Okay. So the first 5, this is only 5 marks for the practice test. This is a practice test. This is not the real test. The practice test is only 5 marks. So it is MCQ pattern, multiple choice.
This is the real.
All right. Just give me a minute. I'll explain. Then I'll give you 5 minutes to ask me questions. I'm going to mute you. I'm going to mute all of you so you listen to what I'm saying and then I will allow you to talk. Okay. So the first part of the test is an MCQ. Okay. And you have to register. You have to go to the portal only and open this. It's only for 5 marks when it comes to the practice test. The actual test will be 15 marks. Later. That is later, not on Wednesday till next Tuesday. Okay. So all you have to do is go to this portal, click on those 5 questions. Immediately, you will get your marks. Immediately, the 5 marks, you will get the answer for how much you got out of 5. Is that clear? Now, by chance, you're not able to open the MCQ. You had a problem with the connection. Something happened. This is also being sent along with the question answer part The MCQ will be sent also with the question answers. So if you're not able to do it in the MCQ thing, then only write it down. Write down the multiple choice along with your question answers and upload it back to us. So there are two parts. I want you to be clearly understanding this. If you don't, if you have any problem, parents, children, please come back to any of the subject teachers for post standard. Any of us will be able to help you regarding this. Okay. So anything regarding portions, anything, you can come back, you can speak to us. Any doubts, any clarification, we will help you with. Okay. Now, one by one, if you have a doubt, please ask me.
Ma'am, when is the real test, ma'am?
Real test will be after, like maybe next week sometime. After next week. I'm not sure when. We still didn't get the dates for the real test. We still have not got the dates, so I don't know. But it's first is this. This is only 5 marks MCQ and 10 marks is written. 10 marks is written test. So only if you're not able to do that 5 mark MCQ, then on that MCQ place, then only you do this in the written form. Okay, because if you another thing, children, if you press the answer, you can't change it easily. You can't change. So when you before you press the correct answer, make sure you think and then only press. Yes. Any doubts, children?
Ma'am, what is the practice test, ma'am?
This is for the practice test. The real test is going to be the same way. The same way the real test also will happen. That is going to be 25 marks. This is only 15 marks.
Ma'am, what we have to
Sorry?
This is the 15 marks test, ma'am.
This is only 15 marks. 5 plus 10. 5 is MCQ, 10 is question answers. Okay, children and parents, anything else if you want to ask me, you can ask me later. I'm going to end the class. I hope you're able to, I hope you have no doubts. If you have anything, please get back to me. You can message me. If you have any doubts regarding first test is Tamil for all of you. If you have any doubts and you don't understand, you can ask Tamil Miss. You can ask any of the teachers, any of the 4th standard teachers. Okay. So I'm going to end class here, children. So bye for now. I'll see you on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we will do social. I will not be explaining this anymore. Okay. I don't want to waste another class explaining this. This is because you're doing it for the first time. I explained this. I took a whole class to explain this out to you. Okay, so bye for now.
Bye, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll see you. All the best for Wednesday. Bye. Class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.